Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more informative videos like this, and kindly press bell icon for notifications of new videos. More and more people are turning to the internet to make a living. There are countless ways to earn money online. From starting your own business to taking surveys, there is an online earning technique that can work for almost anyone. In this article, we will discuss 10 of the most popular online earning techniques in detail. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where a business rewards an affiliate for every customer or sale that they bring in through their marketing efforts. This is done by providing the affiliate with a unique affiliate link, which they can use to promote the product or service. When a customer clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for bloggers and website owners to monetize their traffic. 1. Online surveys. Many companies will pay individuals for their opinions on products or services through online surveys. This is a simple way to earn a little extra cash, but the payouts are usually small. Online survey companies include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money online. Freelancers can offer a variety of services, including writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. Freelancers can find work through freelance marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr, or by building their own client base. 1. Content creation. Content creators can earn money by creating content on YouTube, Twitch, and other platforms. YouTube creators can earn money through advertising revenue and sponsorships, while Twitch streamers can earn money through donations, subscriptions, and sponsorships. The key to success as a content creator is to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. 1. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a growing field, as more and more students turn to the internet for academic help. Online tutors can teach a variety of subjects, including math, science, and language arts. Online tutoring companies include Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors. 1. E-commerce. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services online. This can be done through an e-commerce website, such as Amazon or Etsy, or by selling goods through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. E-commerce is a competitive field, but with the right products and marketing strategy, it can be a lucrative one. 1. Stock trading. Stock trading can be done online through platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade. Trading stocks can be risky, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be a profitable way to earn money online. 1. Online gaming. Online gaming can be a fun way to earn money, particularly for skilled players. Esports tournaments offer prize pools in the millions of dollars, and skilled gamers can earn money through Twitch streaming and YouTube videos. 1. Online advertising. Online advertising is a popular way for businesses to reach potential customers online. Online advertising includes pay-per-click advertising, display advertising, and social media advertising. Individuals can earn money through online advertising by creating and managing ad campaigns for businesses. 1. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants can provide administrative and technical support to businesses and individuals. Virtual assistants can do a variety of tasks, including scheduling appointments, managing email, and social media management. Virtual assistants can find work through freelance marketplaces, or by building their own client base. In conclusion, there are countless ways to earn money online. Some online earning techniques require more time and effort than others, but with dedication and persistence, anyone can make a living online. The key to success is to find an online earning technique that aligns with your interests and skills, and to continually refine your approach to maximize your earnings.